Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nera, and at the beginning of today, we will talk about how to install and configure cPanel and WHM on AWS. We'll set up cPanel and WHM on your AWS VPS. And after installation, I have prepared a WHM mastery course here. It has 33 videos in total. You will find its playlist here, and you can also watch it here. There is a complete course on WHM, so you can follow the further videos from here. In this video, we will install cPanel and WHM on AWS VPS, okay. So come here, now I will come to this too, here just you. What you need to do after logging in is come to the search bar and search for EC2, okay. After searching for EC2, something like this will appear in front of you. After that, you need to click on Instance here. And here you need to click on Launch Instance. After clicking on Launch Instance, you will find some Amazon images here. So there are two ways here. You can install it using two methods. The first way is that you can directly select that image from cPanel, and we have it here. Then what will happen is that it will come directly installed, and you will get it pre-installed. And the second way is that you select any operating system from here, either Ubuntu or Red Hat or Linux. Select any operating system from here, and then you can definitely install it from the command line. But the image here is not available in the free trial. So what we will do is install it through the command line, because here when you go to browse more AMIs, if you search for cPanel here, it is not available in the free trial version now, so its cost will start getting charged automatically. Therefore, we are not doing this in this video. It was in the free trial. You would just need to select this, and as soon as you launch it, your cPanel would get installed. So what we will do in this video is, I will select Ubuntu as an operating system here. I will select it here. You can select any operating system as per your choice here. After that, I will select the operating system here, version 20. I selected it here, and after that, I come down and select the one with 1 GB RAM that comes in the free trial. I selected that. And I will create a key here by the name cPanel, okay, and download the .pem file. I will save it here. I clicked on Download Create Key here. So here, my .pem file has been downloaded. After that, you create a security group here. And I have allowed HTTP and HTTPS here, okay. After that, what you need to do is add 30 GB of storage here. By the way, you get 30 GB in the free trial. You can allocate any amount as per your requirement if you are using it professionally, okay. After that, what I do is click here on Launch Instances. And now my instance will be launched. My operating system will be provisioned here. It is currently in the pending state. So here my instance has changed to running state. After that, what you need to do is copy your IP address here. When you click on this, you will see its IP here. Okay, I will copy it, and after that, you can download PuTTY or another similar software from here. You can download PuTTY from here. You need to click on Download PuTTY. And here, whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit system, you can download and install the appropriate version, okay? So here mine is already installed, so I will open PuTTY. Then I searched for PuTTY here. Click on Open Host, enter the IP which you copied earlier, and here. The port will be here, and you need to click on SSH and AUTH. You need to click on it and go to the credentials on the plus sign. After that, you need to browse here. You need to browse for the cPanel key file which you downloaded. I just did this here and I will select it, okay. After that, you need to click on Open. And it will ask you to accept. Here, since the operating system you selected was Ubuntu, by default its user will be Ubuntu. So I entered it here. It is connected here, but you need to have root access for its installation. So what do you need to do for root access? I come here, first of all, this command. This is basically if the nano editor is not already installed in it, then for that which is. In AWS, then you do not have this command. If you are getting it from somewhere else, the detail option or, then you will need this command. Okay. So you need to execute this command. So I will copy it. I pasted it and pressed enter. It is now asking for the password. So what I do is create a password like this here. I will use the same password for the entire video, okay? So I created a password like this. I will copy it, and this will be used throughout this video. So I will enter the root password here. I copied it. Paste, confirm, enter it again, and it's done. What you need to do after that is enter the second command here. Copy it. That, I just pasted, and something like this will appear in front of you. After that, what you need to do is press Ctrl plus W. Ctrl plus W, then type root and press enter. After pressing enter, look here, you need to modify this line. And what you need to do before this permit root login, you need to set it to yes, okay. So I will erase it here and set it to yes. And after that, you need to scroll down a bit. Scroll down and find password authentication. You need to set it to yes. So I deleted no, and what to do after that is press Ctrl plus X, then type Y and press enter, okay. After that, you need to run this command. And I have executed it here, and it is done. So what you need to ensure here is that permit root login is set, and this is also set. If there is any hash symbol before these settings, it needs to be removed, okay. After that, you need to run this command. So I will close this now, and I will log in again as root user. Root user will log in, so now I am logging in again as root. I entered this here, and now I don't need that key file because I have set up the root password through which I will log in. So I clicked open, OK. And my password was this, so I will copy this, and here you need to enter root, press enter. I pasted the password, and look, I am now logged in as root user. What to do after that is come to the block here, and since we're using Ubuntu 20, first enter this command. If there are any new packages, etc., they will be updated here. What you do after this is enter the second command. Copy and just paste it. Here it is asking to continue, type Y and press enter. So this also gets updated here. After that, what you need to do is come to the next step and enter a hostname here. You can enter this or you can enter your domain. So what I will do here, like I entered this hostname, and then you can enter your domain. Okay, anyxyz.com, whatever domain you have. Like now if I check using the hostname command, then now my IP. After that, I enter this command here, and after that, if I enter the hostname command, then my hostname and domain have been added here. Okay, here I will make it a little bigger. The text should be here. Let me make it a little bigger so the text is more visible. I cannot find the settings for the channel, the color, or font settings here. I will adjust it to make it a little bigger. So look here, I have made the text a little bigger. First, I check the hostname, then I set the hostname here. Space, then I added my domain here. So that is done, my domain has been added. After that, what I do is come here and execute this command. So, I just copied it and pasted it here, pressed enter. So now the installation of our cPanel has begun. I will scroll down a bit. I have increased the text size of the keys, which is why it appears larger to you. Okay, if you have Almo Linux, then you can use this command. If you have CentOS, then you can use this command. Okay. Your installation is running now. So here the installation has been completed. At the end, it will show you something like this. You just need to reboot it. Whatever installation is there, it will show here, and the installation is complete. Okay. And after that, this is the login URL for your WHM. Here I have shown a login here. That means its port number. Your IP address, and just after that, double colon, in between them is your WHM cPanel port number. Okay. So first of all, what you do is reboot the server. Just run the reboot command here. Okay. So I have run the reboot command here. After that, what you need to do. It will take some time to reboot. Let me check if it is completed or not. Okay. So your reboot has just been done, the reboot command. What you do after that is reconnect. By now it must have reconnected. Now I enter the IP here, click on open, and this is what is happening here. It means our server has started again after reboot. So whatever you are installing, you must reboot once after that, because some packages and settings get updated. So, it is happening here. So what you need to do after that is access the login using your IP address and port 2087, which is the WHM port. So here you might get some errors that will not happen to you. Look, it is still loading. For this, what you need to do is open port 2087 in AWS. So you need to come here and click on your instance, and then go to Security, okay, and select this security group. What you need to do after selecting this is click on the inbound rules, edit rules, and here you need to click on add rule, okay. Either you can make it custom here where you can set all TCP ports to open here. Then all the ports will be opened here, and here I click on anywhere. And here you just need to click on save rule below. After the rule is saved, when I reload it, then my WHM login will open here. So if it is showing a security warning, you need to go to Advanced and click on Proceed to Site, OK. Here your WHM login will open, then its username will be root. And enter whatever password you want, then click on Login. I have done it here, OK. After that it is loading a bit here now. Here you need to agree to these terms, so I clicked Agree, and here you need to log in to your cPanel account. You can take the free trial here. If you have already bought the license of cPanel, then you can log in to your cPanel account here. So I will log in here and click on it. And what I do is create a free trial account, so I click on Create Account here. And what I do here is create a free cPanel account using a temporary email. Okay, so here. I get emails. I want to copy the email address. So what I did was copy this. Then here I need to click on Agree. I need to click on Create Account. It is saying here that you have received a link, so let me check that and Okay, you allow access to it, and you go to your email and confirm the email that you received. Okay, in this link that came, I clicked on password and entered it here. I clicked on reset password. Okay. And what will happen here is that as soon as you reset this password, a validation code will be sent to that temporary email. So I go back to check this. And you need to enter the validation code here. Okay. So after verifying the email, this code will appear here. I go to this email. And this code is here. Look below. I will copy this code, paste it here, and I will click on verify my email here. If you did not receive the code, then you can also resend it from here. So your trial here for 15 days has been activated. If you have purchased a license previously, then you will log in with that same account and that license will be applied here. After that, I click on server setup here. And here if you want to receive any notifications etc., then you can enter your email. Then here you can add name servers like this, ns1.yourdomain, ns2.yourdomain. After that I click on next, and then you will be logged into your WHM. Here in the sidebar, you will see all the options. What you need to do after coming here is visit my YouTube channel where I have created a complete course on WHM, so you can watch it step by step. Or if you want to learn about hosting business or cPanel, or anything related to WHM panel, I have created tutorials about cPanel here as well. Here I explain how you can create a web hosting company using this, so you can watch these 5 videos or more. Whatever steps you need to follow, I have explained everything in these videos. In this particular video, we covered launching the instance and installing cPanel on it. After installing it, entering your free trial or license details, etc., you are finally logged in here, okay? So in the end, I will create a cPanel account and show it to you. Here, when you click on cPanel, you will see a drop-down. Go to Account Information, then to List Accounts. And from here you can create a cPanel account. So let me click on Create New Account here, and I can enter any random details here or use the same name and domain. I will create a cPanel account here. Okay, I entered this and the password. Let me enter this password. You can enter the email address. I entered this and then clicked on Create. A strong password must also be there, so I'll enter a strong password here. Yes, I entered a password like this here and clicked on Create. Okay, so here a cPanel account has been created. It's showing that this account already exists. The person who had entered their name is your account, so what we do here? I will try a different approach. What should I do here instead? I said I'll use my domain, so I'm going to do that now. If not, I will just log in and show you. Okay. What I did with this, and if I clicked on Create here, then a new cPanel will be created here and the user details will be validated. If they subscribe, then the check-in process is happening here. And for logging into cPanel, there was also port 2083 here, and this is the cPanel login page. Okay, or if you go directly to cPanel here, then you will be logged in. Otherwise, if you want to do it from here, I do this, copy it here. I enter it, replacing 2087 with 2083, and press enter. Then you can log into cPanel from here. So here my username is this one, okay. Here you will also see the details. Look at this. This is my password and I do this. I copy it, paste it, and I click the login. So here I have logged into my cPanel, okay? Here if you want to take a tour of it, then you can click on this. Our cPanel is now ready, okay, and from here also you can log in directly by clicking on Go to cPanel. So that was all in this video. In this video, you have completed the AWS installation and configuration. And if you want to master WHM further, then you can watch all the videos, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.